Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss probability, class 10, exercise 13.2, problem number 7 and 8. In the previous video, we have seen how to find the probability of getting a die. In this session, we are going to discuss probability of diamond cards. Click this I button to learn introduction to probability and learn from beginning of exercise number 1. Exercise 13.2, question number 7. 5 cards, the 10, Jack, Queen, King and Ace of diamonds are well shuffled with their face downwards. One card is selected at random. First one, what is the probability that the card is the Queen? Second one, if the Queen is selected and put aside without replacement, what is the probability that the second card selected is an Ace, in that second one a Queen? Let us see the solution. What information is given in this problem? So the 5 cards it will be. The 5 cards are 10, Jack, Queen, King and Ace. These 5 cards are there in this set. So in this set too, these 5 cards too, we need to find probability of the card is the Queen. We need to find first one. So total outcomes, how many we can get? 10, Jack, Queen, King and Ace. Total number of outcomes will be 5. In this set, how many queens it will be? Only one queen. This is the one queen. So in that queen, we need to find probability of getting a queen. Probability of getting a queen, what is the formula? Number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Favorable outcomes, how many we can get? Only one favorable outcome, that is only one queen card. And total number of outcomes. Number of outcomes, how many? Total 5. Means we are getting 1 by 5. So here solution, total outcomes. What outcomes we can get? Once you can see here, outcomes are 10, Jack, Queen, King and Ace. Total number of outcomes equal 5. So first one you can find out. What is first one? What is the probability that the card is the Queen? Queen card they ask. So what is the probability that the card is Queen? So in here only 5 outcomes only. In that how many queens will be? Diamond queens will be only 1. These all are diamond shaped cards. These all are diamond shaped cards. In that only number of favorable outcome we are getting 1. So number of favorable outcomes equal to 1. Only we can get 1. So probability of getting a queen, getting a diamond queen, by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes we can get here. Here what? How many we can get? That is 1, by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes equal to 5. So probability of getting a queen, that is 1 by 5. The next second one. So second one, what is here given? If the queen is selected, what we took the card is this queen. So the card we are not replaced. Not replaced means how many we can get here? Only 4 cards. In that too we need to find probability of getting an ace we need to find, probability of getting an queen also we need to find. So here total outcomes, here this queen we took outside. We didn't replace that one. What we got the probability of getting a queen, diamond queen, that one we didn't replace. So second one, an ace. So total outcomes, total number of outcomes. So total number of outcomes in this, only 10, jack and king, ace, queen we took outside. So that equal 4. Number of favorable outcomes equal favorable outcomes equal. So how many in this, how many diamond ace card will be? Only number of favorable outcomes we can get, only 1. That is 1. So probability of getting an ace equal number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes here we got 1. Total outcomes will be 4, means 1 by 4. So here in this card 2 we took queen is we took outside. So total outcomes will be we are getting 4. In that number of favorable outcomes only 1 it is possibility. So probability of getting an ace is 1 by 4. Next, a queen. So here in this already we took this queen is outside. We took outside, that is. So how many number of favorable outcomes to queen? Here any queen card is there? Nothing. Means number of favorable outcomes to queen is 0. So number of favorable outcomes to a queen equal, that is 0. So probability of getting a queen equal number of favorable outcomes. So favorable I am writing FAB, outcomes by total number of outcomes. So that equal number of favorable outcomes to queen. How many we got it here? 0. By total outcomes will be 4. So 0 by 4 value is we can get 0. So here queen card we took out. Without queen means how we can get that queen card? So we can't get. That's why the number of favorable outcomes to queen we can take 0. So probability of getting a queen equal number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Favorable outcomes 0 by 4, that is 0. Next. Question number 8. 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. It is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether or not it is defective. One pen is taken out at random from this lot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is good one. Let us see the solution. What information is given in this problem? here 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones, good pens. So here 12 defective pens are there and 132 good pens, good one, good working one. So total how many possibilities we are getting? Total number of possibilities equal, we are getting 144 possibilities we can get. So here they asked, determine the probability that the pen taken out is good one. So good one we need to find. Probability of taking a good pen we can find out. So probability of taking a good pen. Favorable outcomes, how many good one here? Good pens are 132 pens by total outcomes. Total outcomes how many we are getting? That is 144. So solution. Number of defective pens equal 12. 12 defective pens are given. Number of good pens equal. So good pens means it is good working pens. 132. Now total pens equal. So total means we need to add this 12 defective plus and good pens, that equal we can get 144. So total number of outcomes equal. Number of outcomes equal 144. Now we need to find probability of that the pen taken out is a good one we need to find. So number of favorable outcomes to number of favorable outcomes to a good pen equal, that is how many good ones here? That is 132. Now probability of taking a good pen equal number of favorable outcomes by number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes we got here 144. Number of favorable outcomes to a good pen. Good pen how many here? That is 132 by total number of outcomes is 144. Now I will cancel with 2 table time cancelling. 6 table time cancel. 6 2s are 12, 1 remains, 6 2s are 6 2s are 12, 2 remains, 6 4s are. Again 2 table 2, 2 11s are 2 12s are. That equal 11 by 2. So probability of taking a good pen equal 11 by 12. Do comment if you have any clarification in this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.